Hi, I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my channel, Fast Stitches. How to crochet a curl.
I'm sorry, that is classified.
Classified? How dare you?
Agree, there are no secrets, just tricks, techniques, whatever you want to call it. All of them start with chains. How many is really up to you. Following a pattern is great, but there are times when you have a slightly different vision for your project, so don't be afraid to experiment with lengths, yarns, and stitches. Yes, stitches. You can do half double crochet, single crochet, and even a slip stitch. Well, the last one is slightly different. And instead of adding, it's about subtraction and is more suitable for really small projects. Anyway, so yeah, the big secret is just to add more stitches to make it more curly and add fewer stitches if you want to make your curl more loose. Yarn plays a role in how your curls look and feel. Again, play with it. If you tie your stitches up, can be done without adding, but I don't recommend it. You think you can save time, but I much rather make the extra stitches that make my fingers suffer. So anyway, it's nice to have choices, right? Whatever you do and everything you do, I just want you to have fun.